Hey everyone, so having a little tour of the canal in Birmingham, and I am approaching the mailbox, which is the location where my films will be showing tonight. So exciting. As you can see here, a bunch of signs, and I just got stopped by this guy from the charity fund who runs the canal. I was like, how come the government doesn't, take care of the canal? So apparently the government didn't want to have a canal anymore, so they started a trust fund to take care of the canal. I'm like, there are all these billions and billions and billions from the, out there, and they need a trust fund. But anyway, I'll shut up about politics. Let's stay happy. I need to turn that stuff off my head, because a lot of things in this world makes me very angry because they are so unfair. So focus on happy, good energy, and the beauty of the world, and work and do what we can. But yeah, this is a beautiful place that I am. Here I am, and this bridge, has all these padlocks, which is really cool. I've seen that in some bridges around the world. It's the mailbox. Ooh, rodizio rico, yum yum yum, churrascaria Brasil Grill. Yeah, that's what we love, barbecue. Oh. Yeah, the canal goes forever. Yeah, I love going to walks over there, and then the other side, so I go for long walks. This is my favorite. This is totally me. It's like a big heart head. It's a heart person. I love these. I can relate totally with this. Isn't that cool? And that is here at the mailbox. And there is the BBC. Lots of nice fancy restaurants. Ooh, gets me hungry. I'm hungry all the time. Well, for everybody coming tonight for the film screening, this is where it's going to happen, at the Everyman Cinema. I'm so excited. Right there.